We're here on site with Dave Stewart and his company Panel Fab. Dave's been part of the PROTRADE community now for well over 10 years, 12 years I think. 13 and it's coming on. And Dave's extremely generous in allowing us to come on site with him. He's going to give us a little bit of a tour around the place, show us behind the scenes, and we'll also find out a little bit more about the man David Stewart himself. Let's go and have a look.
Panel Fab is a prefabricated building. We have a sales division and we have a hire division. We have a hire division that has over 2,000 buildings that we send out on hire, and at the present time we have 2,200 buildings out on hire. We're a problem solver for people's accommodation and office space. A dream job would be somebody who were to come in and we've got something pre-made sitting on the shelf. They come in, buy it, and it's gone the next day. A dream customer for our hire fleet is like your tier ones. If you've got your Leightons, your Hutchinsons, they're the good ones. They'll go out and they're out for a 2 or 3 year long hire. They look after them, they clean them and respect them, and they come back in very good condition.
Tell us about what's going on here.
This building here I purchased back in 2011, so I've been sitting on it for 11 years.
Yeah.
It had other partners to it, but we've sold them. This is the last piece at the present time. We can strip it down, we resheet the ceiling, floors, we make some steel frame walls to put in, and it's like a brand new building, but the bones are still strong.
Yep.
That's the thing. And that's where the value of the building is, in the bones. We've got 9 months worth of work ahead of us at the present time.
Yeah, wow.
Well, unbelievable.
Congratulations, and wow, it's now, I know for most trades, they don't like to disappoint by telling people, but that's just the reality, yeah.
And big thing is ProTrade. It teaches us how to manage the workflow and step back and have a look at what we can do better.
Yeah.
Streamline.
Yeah,
so
excellent.
That's what ProTrade's about. Night owl and an early bird. Coffee. A walkie. Ooh, Stargate. Look to the future. Toyota. Smoko with sushi. Night out. Arnold Schwarzenegger, George Bush, and Dolly Parton. Keep an eye on your numbers. Watching it grow and seeing what I've created. Staff. Start learning earlier.
That was David Stewart from Panel Fab, and a look behind the scenes at his amazing organisation. What I love about David is he shows up each and every month just wanting one piece of information to take away and implement, and that constant and never-ending improvement is what makes his organisation so great.